Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to head to, I guess what you would call town square, town center. There's some really incredible buildings down there, so stay tuned for some really dope shots. Just waiting for the subway. Apparently there's a football game today. I was not aware of that. There's a ton of people out here. Alright, look at this. Time to fly, motherfuckers. Alright guys, so I'm currently walking through this big ass park. Super beautiful. Right behind me is, I guess you can call this Olympic Park. Right behind me is like the Olympic Stadium and everything. I'm gonna go get some drone shots over there. It's supposed to be really awesome. That's where they host their concerts and everything like that. These drone shots are gonna be wicked sweet. See how this thing turns out. But again, another beautiful fucking day out. I'm actually kind of hot in my double jackets, but it drizzled just a little bit. Still beautiful. So let's go get some dope ass shots. Peace. Alright, so I'm up here at Olympic Stadium now. Apparently huge ass cell towers are a really big popular thing in Germany. So they seem to be everywhere. Give you a quick shot of this place behind me. It's freaking huge. There's my friend that I'm staying with told me that there's a huge BMW museum over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but probably have to stop by there, see what it's all about. But I'm gonna go catch some wicked drone shots. Alright. So currently got some guys behind me flying their drone. I'm hoping in that case it's not gonna be a problem to fly mine. Oh, there it goes. Well, you can't see it. It's a Mavic Pro, so it's tiny. But yeah. Oh shit, that's a nice big ass hill up there. There's a lot of cool shit around here. If you guys come to Munich, or when you guys come to Munich, I would highly advise coming and checking out Olympic Park. Oh my god, if it snows, that would be the best sledding spot in the world. Cause yeah, it is beautiful over here. The weather's perfect. There's all sorts of people out. You guys have definitely got to come check this place out. Totally worth it. The drone shots are gonna be amazing. Cool. Alright, so we are now down at the water. There's all these big ass geese around here. And ducks. The whole big park is behind us. There's the tower. Gotta find a sweet little spot to fly the drone from. This is a pretty cool spot right here. I don't know. I think this might be a winner, folks. Let's go ahead and try it from here. Alright, y'all. Drone time. See how this goes.
Alright y'all, so I walked all around the park, got some awesome drone shots, fed some birds, just relaxed a bit. Alright y'all, time to head back to town. Hopefully I can remember what subway and everything I took. Train system is pretty easy here, but understanding the words is not. So, hopefully my incredible memory will serve me. Like I said, next stop Paris. When Connor gets here, then shit gets really fun. So, peace.